Ugoos has officially entered the Google TV arena, and it's done so in style. The Ugoos SK2 is the brand's first Google-certified streaming box, and it's not just another Android TV clone. It's a powerful, fully licensed entertainment hub designed to bring you the best of modern streaming with the performance muscle to back it up. The SK2 is more than just a streaming box. It's a powerful, feature-rich smart hub designed for today's demanding users. With Google TV at its core, superior connectivity, and certified access to premium services, it easily stands out among competitors. Whether you're a cord cutter, a smart home enthusiast, or someone who just wants hassle-free, high-quality entertainment, the SK2 is a superb choice that delivers on all fronts. Forget side-loading or compatibility issues. This box is Google TV certified with full Widevine L1 support. That means Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Prime Video, HBO, Paramount Plus, and more can be enjoyed in their original HD or 4K quality without compromise. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos elevate the experience further, delivering rich visuals and immersive audio that fill your living room.